frigate installation wouldn't work. Looked into it. SELinux has stopped OpenVINO from working, so I was not prepared to create this video, but I wanted to show you how to fix the SELinux. Watch through here. I'm also making this as a install tutorial. I've been asked by a couple people to make a tutorial how to install, so I'm going to do this. This is on my Proxmox server that I have for my normal VMs and everything. So I'm just going to throw up a demo VM of Tumbleweed being installed. And if you've ever installed Tumbleweed, you can skip and tell how we fix SELinux. Might be surprised, might not, but I'm going to show you how to fix SELinux permanently. As always, chapter markers will be listed below. I'm going to play a little music so you don't get bored watching the video, or use chapter markers to skip ahead. If you want to, let me know what type of music you like and I'll see if I can find it and put it in here in future videos. Thanks. I do have these set up on the recording set to 400 times speed, so we're not going to be here for 20 minutes for this install. So if you need to see anything, just pause the recording. here we are just towards the online repository, so a couple more minutes. This should be done. And like I said, I wasn't prepared to do this today, but I'm doing it because I'm mad. I'm just going to do a simple server install. Not going to do a graphical KDE install. That would add no benefit to this. But if you want to do KDE Plasma, go ahead. Just follow along. I'm in California, where it never rains. Simple install. Here we go. This is how we're going to fix it. So click on software. Click on SELinux. We'll not install it. Install AppArmor. Click on that. That's how we fix SELinux, by removing it. You'll get a new indicator here. You need to go to security, change security mode to AppArmor, and there you go. Finish installing like normal. This will fix your SELinux issue. SELinux is really made for servers, not desktop applications. I don't know why SUSE decided to go with SELinux. I mean, it's good, but now they're pushing the security mode, which stops everything, which is what stopped OpenVINO working for me. Thought I'd throw that in there, but this should fix it, all issues. Like I was saying, SELinux is not meant for desktop applications. It should never have gone that way. About 3 days ago, they decided to do enforcement on SELinux and stopping games from working. You know, it's really bad for openSUSE to stop people's desktops from working. You know, SELinux great for servers, horrible for desktop applications. Follow these instructions that I showed you. It'll fix all your problems. AppArmor is the way to go. This is just a quick tutorial guide, finishing out here. Installation is complete. You know, you can follow my my other guides to see how to make Tumbleweed or Leap even better by changing a few things. Yep. Like and subscribe and follow my other videos. Have a good day. Bye.